It's Pride Month, so let me show you how to slay using this month's BoxyCharm and Glam Bag. We're gonna start off with some eyeshadow. We're gonna go ahead and use this Pretty Magic palette by Formula Z. It's officially Pride Month, and this month really means a lot to me because it reminds me of when I came out. I remember being super nervous when I came out. I was not fully comfortable with myself. Over the years, I've learned that pride means being yourself and being proud of who you are. Let's finish the eyes using a little bit of MAC Stack. This is the lash primer. Going in with mascara, this is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. It's so good. We finished the eyes, so let's get that base snatched for Pride. In order to have a snatched base, we're going to use a primer, so we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer to give us that flawless base. Now we're going in with the Halo Glow Skin Tint by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a perfect product for that no makeup look. Adding some blush, we're going to go ahead and use this one from Pink Lips in the color Radiance. The way that this blush is blending out is so pretty and so buttery. That blush is looking so pretty. Now let's bronze, blush, and highlight using this Lovecraft Beauty face palette. Definitely want to be nice and bronzed and snatched. This palette will definitely make sure that those cheeks are tea. I would definitely say that blush and highlight is definitely one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine. And I love me a good blush and highlight because it just brings the whole look together. Using the Morphe setting spray, this is going to snatch us and lock us in for all day and night. I just love the mist on this. And here we have the finished look. Tell me this look is not slaying. All the products that we use are featured in this month's BoxyCharm and Glam Bag. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite product. And don't forget to subscribe to stay in the know.